This is an elephant. Elephants are the biggest animals on land. They live in hot, sunny places in Asia and Africa. Elephants travel together in families called herds. A herd is a big elephant family that stays together and helps each other. An elephant has a very special nose called a trunk. It is long and very strong. Elephants use their trunks to drink water. Elephants also use their trunks to pick up food. Elephants love to eat grass, leaves, and fruit. Because they are so big, they eat and eat and eat. Elephants love to play in water and mud to cool off. Elephants have the biggest ears of any animal. They flap their big ears to help them keep cool, like a big fan. Elephants are very clever animals. They can remember their friends even after a long, long time. When a baby elephant is born, the whole herd gathers around. Everyone stays close to welcome the new baby. Elephants are gentle and wise. Bye-bye, elephants.